Now that we can see the heart on the microbit, let's look and see what other built-in images there are. So the built-in images are part of the library. When you click on these blue words, not only does it show you all of the microbit's predefined images, but now that's saved in your toolbox. So how do we have access to all of these images? Well, these are part of the MicroPython library. This star right here, when you import star, that means you're importing all of that library. So we can just change one thing to get our built-in images. So I'm going to do a smile. In my code, the only thing I need to change is heart to smile. I'm going to do capital S, capital M, capital I, capital L, capital E. To change the image on the microbit, now I need to run my program. That's it. Now I have a smile on my microbit. If I look over in the teaching panel, you'll see that we're going to display music quavers. That's just the British way of saying eighth notes. In CodeSpace, when you've already done part of the code, it will be blurred out. If you need to see it, just click and it will reveal that code. But I shouldn't type from microbit import again. I'm only going to type the part that's not blurred out. So in this case, I'm going to change smile to music quavers. Remember to make everything capitalized for our images. These images with two words include an underscore. That's what this symbol in between music and quavers is called. An underscore can be found on your keyboard by holding down Shift and hitting the hyphen. Remember, anytime you change part of your code, you have to run your program again. Now you should see the music quavers or eighth notes on your microbit. You can always go back and change it to any image that you want by referring to your image library. So try something else out and see what other images you can find. If you're really curious about making custom images, you can go to the image documentation in the toolbox and look at the information there. You'll see that on the 5x5 grid, you can change not just which lights are on, but how bright they are as well. So have some fun playing with images for a little while. And then when you're ready to move on, just click Next.